How to install the software. You will receive 3 softwares: UltraPrint, Driver, TX80016H. Copy those 3 softwares from desktop. Create a new folder on my computer. Put those copied SAN softwares to this new folder. Decompress. Install the software. Cancel this option, please. Open the first file. Find Well Print Exp with same logo. Send the shortcut to desktop. Now back and open UltraPrint. Find UltraPrint with same logo. Send the shortcut to desktop. Now you will get 2 shortcuts in desktop. Set up these 2 software now. Open the UltraPrint first. Do same process as video. Choose the first option. Input your design. Cancel this option. Finished setup. Open Well Print Exp now. You can change the language at first. Lower left corner of software. Check the setup correct or not.